Yep. I'm live. Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Check quickly the screen. It is audible. It is audible, guys. It is audible. Check my channel. Yep, I'm live here as well. I'm live on Kick as well. All right then. Uh, Let me bring that here. Give me a second. I will come. I'll come in a minute. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. I'll come in a minute. I'm back, guys. I'm back. Let me drink some water. Wait a second. Mhm. Yep. All Gucci. All Gucci. Yeah. There's so much of background noise in the audio. I mean the air, not the background, but air. All good there. Yep. 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 There's so much of is my voice. All good. Now, now I need to refresh this. Let me play some music first. What is this? Yeah, let me play this. Why can't reach a server? Fetch is alive. Progressed 2625 of 277 and with 154 left. It slowed because the rate limiter is now enforcing the 30-minute budget. Okay, which is working correctly. Analyzed. Yeah, 150 is left, right? All right, near support the page near support, but the most of its ratios compare unfavorable against its own sector. A real verdict, non missing data. The page was badly broken and I fixed it. Okay. Two things I got wrongly along the way. I first put the projection function in the user client module and called it from a server component. Okay. Because the server only receives a component reference from a client module, not callable function. Go to a server safe module. All right. Then I test got something more important. Moving the 6 metric guard out of the component made the caller's responsibility. What is this? The test got something more important. Moving the 6 metric guard out of okay. Caller's responsibility. If anyone passed unfiltered row, then evidence would rank. The guard is now enforced in both places with comment saying why on your cap threshold. It should restate the since it affects what you all see. The 20,500 levels are about a decade out, I know. Current MF, okay, alright. Full check green, push through. Again, and then from mid cap are ranked. Okay, actually, I think, okay, I need to tell it. Uh, the like P and all that are NP. Bro, what is this music? What is this music, bro? Uh, 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 mm, 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 mm. What is it telling? Oh, no, no. Uh, the data is fine. Tata Capital generally scores badly, but you have made me look. And one comparison is broken. The real numbers. What is broken, buddy? 16 genuine verdict. It's yeah, the bug is surfaced. 3A516 is genuine verdict. The dearer than its sector on earnings while earning materially lower returns on assets and capitals. And as the sector earnings while earning match materially lower returns on assets and capital. For a recently listed NBFC, that's okay plausible, not a data for the bug you surfaced. Okay, all right. Oh, yeah. Is the model stuck? It's running right. What's broken then? I have to check. Let why is it stuck? What happened here? Mhm. What happened here? Why is it lagging though? It's all good. YouTube live stream. It's working. Why isn't the pic working? Then, bro, why is companies? Why is it not working? Bro, my site is lagging. My laptop and all. I have to stop the stream, I guess. Not the not the YouTube, but Kick. I have to stop the Kick stream. Bro, it's too lagging, bro. Bro, unable now to stop. Yep, I stopped the Kick stream. Yep, now good. All Gucci now, bro. Uh, Let me check now. Yeah, the bro, the Kick stream was the culprit. Wow. Let me check Tata Capital where it lies. Tata Capital lies in large cap. That's good. That's correct. All right. The price is 360. What are the metrics showing then? Um, okay, these are all great. Financials, all good. This is not working, buddy. I have to screenshot it. Previously, I told it to add the candle data here, but it is the unfortunately it can't, I guess. Let me save it in the local file and then the website is working fine now. Wait. All right. Let me close this. Let me refresh it once again. Fitness analysis. This is what we want, right? Quality, timing, and content. Starter capital does not currently pass. Quality, all good. Quality is worth owning. Scored 3 of 14. Okay. Close 4.2% above support. Tested one time. Resistance sits at, okay, 3 out of 14. All good. Okay, let's see. P ratio is 27. The sector's average is 20%. Okay, it's okay. P is okay. PB ratio is 3.48. Okay, that's low. Uh, Return on assets are 1.8%. That is too low. Return on equity is 10.57%. That is okay. Return on capital expenditure is 77.9. The sector's average is 16. So that's a little low. So I think quick ratio EBITDA is 16. The sectors is minus 1017. EV by EBITDA. I I should actually check what is EV by EBITDA. Enterprise value to the earning before interest. That's good. Market capitalization plus total debt minus cash equivalent. Market capitalization plus total debt. Enterprise value 400 rupees, $400. Okay. So enterprise value. Bro, I don't think the sectors. What happened again? Why is it? It's restarting the server. Okay, fine. Let it do. EV by EBITDA. I think uh, comes under asset management. So I wanna know The EV by EBITDA of this sector. Let's check now. Is it minus something, bro? That much? You hit on a very common point of confusion. The Toyota Capital actually operates as non-banking finance company (NBFC). Okay, the lending institution rather than a pool asset management company. That's true. Most of our investors do not use EV by EBITDA to value companies in the financial sector, like banks, NBFCs, and asset managements. Okay, they completely don't apply to financial companies. All good. That's why it's showing like minus something, bro. I have to I have to implement this. For the banking and MDFC sectors, we should not use EV by EBITDA actually. I have to implement this, right? I'll just copy it. Bro, my this actually this actually is talking from morning. There's so much of lag. I don't know why. But oh, EV by is a wrong metric to be calculator for finance and NBFC sector. So we have to analyze the metrics for the sectors. So all good, all good, all good, all good. I will send this message. I steer it. What happened? Uh, 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 normally, I want to normally what is good EV to EBITDA ratio? EV EBITDA ratio 10x is widely considered good. 10x ratio below 10x is widely considered good or attractive, signaling that a company might be undervalued. Okay, here it is attractive below 10x value underline. The next to 15x fair value. What is the question. 10x to the current 10x to the fair value. Okay. Okay. Fair market value. Fair market value. Imagine looking to acquire a buy stock in either company A, company B. Both companies generate the exact same core operations profit EBITDA of 100 crores, but they are priced differently by the market. All good. Market capitalization value of the market share 800 crores, 1000 crores, 300 crores total debt, 100 crores total debt. Okay, cash and equivalent minus 100 crores minus money in bank minus 100 crores. Okay. Enterprise value 1000 crores, 1800 crores. EBITDA 100 crores, 100 crores. EV by EBITDA multiple 10x, 18x. The company A is valuable, then the company B. The company EBITDA ratio of exactly 10x. The takeover cost, if you wanted to buy all shares completely, you would pay 800 crores to the shareholder. Clears out their 300 crore debt and keep their 100 crore cash. The total economic cost to own the business is 1000 crores. The, the payback period, since the company makes 100 crores a year in crore earnings, in 1 crore earnings, it will take you exactly 10 years of operation. Okay. Uh, Operation okay, that's cool. Company B. Because the stock price is excited about the company, its share are price enterprise of value up by 1800 crores. Okay. I understood now. I understood now, buddy. I understood now. Most of the cases, the company B would be moving forward, right? I mean, if the company B is more interesting for the investors because of the hype, the company B will move, not the company A. After some time, it may drop larger, but that's what happens usually in the market. Okay, historic data is available now, buddy. Historic data is available now. I need to add more data so that I think this is the starting of Tata Capital. It 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 has launched in October, right? Yeah, it is just launched in October 2025. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. So we need to check the analysis part. Did it remove the EBITDA? No, it did not remove the EBITDA yet. Let me see what is what. You found a genuine domain error and it was worse than the one in instance you stopped. Three more metrics are wrong for financials. EV by EBITDA breaks for a lender because EV by EBITDA adds back interest as the finance were separate. Okay, that's good. The same reasoning condemns three more. Quick ratio assumes a working capital cycle, a ledger current liabilities. Okay, ROCE requires separating operations and financial capital. Okay, debt to equity leverage is business. Okay, all good. I understood. EBA, okay, as above and the reverse. Adequate are meaningless. And in reverse, NIM, NPA, CSA, and capital adequacy are meaningless for a cement maker, which was the same but pointing the other way. That's cool. Tata Capital had three of its eight judged metrics meaningless, each scoring zero. So its 13 by 16 was unfairly harsh, not just unflattering. While my earlier fix wasn't enough, I would made negative multiples return, which caught the minus, but it would still have scored EV by EBITDA against that score. To 20 274 carries the reason. So skipped matrix reads not. Including one asserting every exclusion as substantive explanation on the sector page is running. Acted on it directly built declaring metrics describe the which business, but I still see it. I still see it. Let me refresh. Analysis, revive. I still see it. Real Yahoo sector. Um, Tata Capital Real Yahoo Sector added 274 test suite coverage and launched Yahoo Sector Fetch across all needs. The sector name stocks never publishes. All good. So I want to tell you is please fix the matrix and you have already added the sector names, I guess so. uh, it has to be clearly a filter in the company's page so they can toggle out, they can open it. And and what else need to be fixed? uh, 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 the analysis need to be uh, more straightforward and more straightforward, I guess. Hmm. The news is anyway not working, and there needs to be analysis of finance as well. I think finance is already analyzed here. Let me see. Yeah. Uh, price and momentum. Price and momentum findings. 3%. This is price and momentum. Where are the earnings? Okay. Of financials, like profit is increasing steadily and debt is less or decreasing. Uh, I think debt might be increased as well, but see the revenue should be increased for sure. Increased year on year for sure, I guess. And profits, other metrics on financials as well. And the analysis needs to be straightforward, I guess. The price is this 52 market cap, P ratio is 30. This is too tiny. This box is too tiny. Does not qualify. Timing is now reasonable. Close above support 346. I need to check this once. Let me actually open this in another tab and we'll see simultaneously. Historic data. Okay, wait. What it tells is close 360 is 4.2% above support. 360. The current price is 360. Okay, support is around here, right? 340, 346. That's 346 is the support. I don't think so. 346 is okay. It's calculating the fair value gap. I knew, but resistance sits at 364. 364. Where is 364? 364. Resistance 364. 364. This is all the resistance part, not only 364. Price is moving without getting anywhere. Efficiency 0.13 is below 0.15 despite the direction index of 16.7. Why this is a pass then? If the market is at resistance, it's not at support. Why did it actually passed it? I don't get I don't get it, but let me ask actually. One more thing, bro. I actually think this is wrong, but it's your call. As an investor, they only buy, not like traders. So when the price is at resistance, what is spelling? So it is likely that the market will come down. Likely, not sure. So why did you give the pass to it? I want to know. And I don't think uh, it also says the support is at, what did he say? The support is at 360, 346, right? The support is at 346. So it's a fair value gap here. 346 is here. So it is a fair value gap. Oh, where is the 346? So it's a fair value gap. Mostly the market rejects, but we should also add the down support like the Order block one support. Also, not only the one support thing. All right. Let it do this work. What else need to be fixed? Uh, 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 it, all right. Profit before tax is this much. This much. It is increasing. Okay, good. Assets. Changing assets. This is they give loans. So this is not. This is not the metric we calculate. All right. The profit is increasing. That's a good sign, though. And the market is at the market is at correct level. If it goes down, I think it might fall very hard. It might fall very hard, and I need to check the quarterly earnings as well. Actually, yes, we need to add the quarterly as well here. It did not add quarterly earnings, but we should add quarterly earnings so that we get an understanding, and based on that we can score whether we can buy or not, right? We have to see. This might range for some time and go up, or else directly it can fall down tomorrow or on Monday as well. So we have to see. Nothing is guaranteed. Let me check any other company. Tata Capital is so boring. Midwest, did it add? Midwest is small cap. Midwest Limited. This is what the company do. And I need to add what does the company do here. A little one two line paragraph, I guess. It's mostly for my family and friends, but we need to add something like that. That will be good. Midwest is verifying indigenous natural stone and mining. Yeah, this is the company. Price is 1240. The price is 1216. Okay, this is the company. This is the company. It has come down. Closing price 52-week range. So it has dropped significantly. It has dropped 600 rupees. Market cap is this. It means it is a small cap companies. Okay, PE ratio is 30. 30 PE ratio. What is the sector PE ratio? I need to check. For mining companies, the PE ratio would be nominal, I guess. This is the average PE ratio, I guess. Let's see. EPS. Okay. 626, 133. Net worth is 632 crores. Profit after tax is 133 crores. Total assets all good. Assets are great. Assets are good. Let's check the financials so that we get to understand what does it do. We need to automate this as well. It should predict what's the score of this. So 93, 79, 138, 178. Okay, steadily increasing. Assets. Okay, liabilities. Liabilities. What is minus 63? Um, for a growing company, these are all not should not see these all things because they need capital to grow. So they will actually take loans and liabilities would be higher. Hmm, Income statement. Revenue is 626. Okay, revenue is 626 and the profit is 178. That's a good profit. Hmm, Revenue 643, total expenses, profit before tax is this, profit after tax is 133. That's a good. Okay, this is a good company, I guess. I think the score will be also good. What's the score? Midwest does not currently pass this thing. Uh, 7 out of 14. 7 judgmatics 50% below the 60% threshold. It has scored 50%. But we have to see what are the metrics it has taken. Okay, these are all metrics that go 23%. 23 company is EV by EBITDA is 23 and the sector is 18. That's that's not a good sign. It is overvalued for sure. The stock is overvalued. ROC is great, but the sector ROC is 14%. This is, I think this stock we need to. My dad actually owns this stock. My dad got it in IPO, so I should tell him to remove. And the PE is also high. It is little bit overvalued, I would say. But the price has been falling. The price has been falling. Let's see till where it can fall. It is at support level for sure. The price is at support level. If it breaks this zone, it might actually go down even far, even further, way more we think. Mm, yeah, and we need to keep in mind, I guess. Actually, we need to sell it, bro. I told my dad to sell it here, but he did not. It is at a base level now. We also. Mhm. Let's see, did it complete? Yeah, it completed. Your timing objection was correct, and the invalidation may only by signal. The bug, I measured distance above support and ignored the ceiling. Tata Capital 4.2% above support looked fine, but resistance sat at 0.9% overhead. Now, judge my position within the brand. Tata Capital near support pass. Extended fail 80% and position 0.9% headroom. Uh, at support at support pass mid range fail. Mhm. So one company I showed you as worth considering now was a false positive for exactly the reason you gave. Price pinned under a level that has previously turned it is a poor entry. However, far support is below. That's good. So it has actually, what it thought is, what what the AI thought about Tata Capital is, let me show you. The AI thought, see, the AI thought it has taken support and made green candle. So it thought we can invest, but the resistance lies here. See, the resistance lies here. It has to break this, then we can buy. So that's what it thought. It took support and going up, so we can buy. It is thinking like that. That's not how the technical analysis work. So that's a wrong analysis. Mm. Okay, Tata Capital shows three levels before, below. That's good. Two above at 364 and 379, the nearest support fails. The near level down is where price is likely caught. Defines the risk of entering versus waiting. Financial trend answers. Compound growth answers. How fast but not how reliable. A company that grew 40% once and shrank three times shows the same CAGR as one grown 12% every year. So consistency is counted separately. Revenue good improved in every one of three comparison, 3, 4, 3, 4, okay. Profit good improved in every one of three, okay. Debt acceptable grows faster than profit. That, I think that is acceptable. If the revenue is going, that it is acceptable. That's what I think. But yeah, that's what I think. That's a good. It's okay. If the company is going, that doesn't matter. On the debt, I took your point that raising borrowings isn't automatically bad. A company can grow to build capacity that earns later. So it's judging against profit. Falling debt is good. Debt rising slower than profit is good. Faster is acceptable, and rising when profit falls is weak. That's good. Not the profit. Revenue falls. Profit can fall. Okay, profit can fall because of many reasons. This is, it has to be revenue, not the profit. Two things I haven't done it. Sector filtration companies page, and fetch is still running 200 of when last looked. 200 of 527. Sector filtration companies page. The fetch is still running 200 of. Okay, it's just started, I guess, the filtration. So most companies have no sector names yet. I would rather buy the filter once the data is there, then shape a further. Okay, that's good. Tata Capital has no revenue line at all. NBFC report incomes differently. So the revenue trend reads insufficient. Another instance of the sector problem is you identified a worth handling with a lender specific income line. Uh, so the revenue trend reads insufficient. Let me see. Financials. There is no revenue. Other income. There is total revenue right here. Total revenue there. Is this right? And we need to fix this as well. This the last point, not the profit. The revenue has to be rising while profit falls is big. Faster is acceptable, and rising while profit falls is big. Revenue falls is big. While both are relatable, I think anything is fine. Let's see. నా చుట్టూ తిరిగింది. Income statement. Let us see some other companies, and I need to see the small caps. The data actually see. Some of the companies actually size unknown. There is no market cap. Why I don't know. Let us see this. Why there is no market cap? It has launched in June 25. Not in June 25, I guess. More, but why there is no market cap for this? There are financials. There is no financials as well. If there is no market cap, why the data is not available for this? Uh, 15 out of 16. 8 judges metrics 94% pass. Why pass, bro? What are all the metrics you have seen? P ratio is 12.6. That's very low. Very low. PV ratio is 2%. ROA 21, ROC 21, quick ratio, EBITDA is low. Bro, what is this company? It is actually, it's actually good. Need to see more about this company actually. But there is no data. There is no data. The price is 2000 rupees. Oh my god. Automobile Corporation of Goa. Let me check. Let me check. Bro, it has market cap, it is small cap company. Uh, Incorporated in 1980, Automobile Corporation of Goa Limited is the business of bus body building. Bus body building. Okay. Bus body building. Bus body building. It has started in 1980. Oh my god. Bro. Started in 1980. But it is growing very slowly. Why? Why is it growing very slowly then? Is it government company? No, private limited company, right? Oh, okay, let's see this. Sales 35, 335, 934. Till date is 926. Okay, 934. It's going good. 848. Expenses are very high, bro. 86 is the profit. Okay, it has made loss in 2021 because of Corona, I guess. I feel like it's Corona. 731, 43, 52, 86. It is growing. This stock is also worth seeing, I guess. Worth seeing, bro. This stock is worth investing and seeing, I guess. Let me check one more thing. 15, 14. Interest. Okay. Other incomes. What are other incomes? Other incomes normal. So 17 crores. 17 crores from other incomes. Don't know what are other incomes. I don't know, but I have to check. Profit before tax 94. Profit after tax 70. Till date 58. Bro, this is cool. But it's growing very slowly. But it's cool, I guess. P ratio. P ratio is very low. Very low. Why did it drop actually? It's because of July 22. What happened? September, July 22. What happened here? More. September, July 22. September, September. Okay. What happened in 2022? Why did it drop? The price has fallen, I guess. Did the price fall? September 2022. The price is okay, but the P ratio has fallen. September 2024, it's 3:1. It has came to the same level. Why did it came? Why did it came to the same level at 25? What are the sales looking? 25 sales are good, right? Board meeting intimation. Board meeting. Okay. Shareholder meeting. Okay. Bro, I think this is a good company, bro. It is. See, there are no cons. It is a good company. It is worth it is worth. I it is worth analyzing more. You should analyze this stock more. See, something my something good my stock screener did. It has searched the companies and showed here. That's a good sign. That's a good thing, bro. This is what I'm doing. This is what I've been doing for. But it's a good thing. I'm getting to see new companies with good profits, revenue, and all. This is a good company, bro. That's for sure. It is a small cap, though. Why the market cap is not there, I don't know. But we have to see. Let's see. Amwell Healthcare Limited. Amwell Healthcare Limited. The price is dipping. It is in a downtrend. It is in a downtrend. Uh, the price is 43 rupees. Highest is 69 rupees. Market cap unavailable. Size star unavailable. Trading P unavailable. Bro, why the date? Why the hell the data is not available? I don't know. Does App Stocks doesn't have this data? Let me see. because I'm taking the data from Upstocks, so I have to check Upstocks that is Upstocks having the data as well. If it doesn't have, I will not get the data. So 42 rupees. Okay, 5 years, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 1 year, 3 years, 5 year, all candles. I need candles. Oh, Upstock is very worse. What is this? I'm taking the data from wrong guy. Bro, Upstock has P ratio, bro. Upstock has P ratio. Why don't our our database have this? Upstock has P ratio. Actually, we can calculate P ratio. It's easy. Fundamentals, market cap is also there. Financials, operating profit, net profit. Financials are not available. Technicals are there. ATR, RSI. These are all bullshit technicals. But there are there. I need to give it to Claude. Why isn't it adding the data correctly? Did the sector, bro? Sector is also present here. Pharmaceuticals. Why isn't adding? Say this healthcare pharmaceuticals. Sector is pharmaceuticals. It has to add all the things, bro. Let me quickly save the image and we'll take another image of the market cap and all. Market cap and all. Let me save this as well. Wow. Where is the photo? Where is the screenshot, buddy? Where is the screenshot? I need to take it again. Save, D, save, done. What else? What else? What else? Financials, fundamentals. Uh, Shareholder returns. 1 day, 1 month, 3 years. 54%, 54%, 96. That's falling. The returns are very bad in this. But at present it is at a good place. Balance sheet. Okay, there is no data here. Okay, let me give it to Claude. Analyze it's from Upstocks where we are where our database is from and it has market cap and the sector as well. And why can't we get it? Where is our thing? Bro, what happened? Oh, sorry. Where is our thing? Where is our thing? Okay, there's no nothing. It is not categorized. It has no P, no anything, and tell me the reason. Is it us or the upstocks is blocking us to grab the data? Okay, what is it telling? Both points applied, both changes real verdicts. What are the changes I told? Total revenue, okay, these are the changes I told, right? Tata Capital, HDFC are now rate Tata Capital revenue good, 13,000 improved every year. Just okay, both were insufficient before the logic. Okay, don't debt judge against revenue. Your reasoning holds profit can fall from a write-off or tax change while revenue falling is okay. That flip Tata Capital acceptable to good. Okay, TCS stays acceptable revenue grow, but more slowly than its liabilities. Margin pressure is now distinguished from deterioration. Revenue growing while profit slips is acceptable with okay. What is the gap? TCS stays acceptable. Revenue grow, but more slowly than its liabilities. One gap is exposed. HDFC shows insufficient on debt because it has no total liabilities. Another instance problem you found banks reports on different balance sheet structures. So lender, okay, for banks, and in the FCs, the debt is not a constraint because they give the money to others. That becomes the debt. All right. Mhm. Mhm. It's an SME. It's a SME means SME means we have to buy it in bulk, not like one two stocks. If you want to buy SME, you have to buy in bulk. Bulk means around 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, I guess. Oh, ranked by sector, small cap, size unknown, size unknown. I want large cap. Okay, large cap. I want large caps. Large caps. First is Coal India. Coal India is 13 by 14 points. So I have to check where the Coal India lies now. Actually, we should buy Coal India, bro. I feel like I feel like buying Coal India right now because of the price. 46, 48, 43, 23. 1 lakh, 1 lakh crores, 1 lakh crores. Other incomes, okay. Total revenue is this much. Total revenue, this much, okay. Total expenses is this much. Oh my god, expenses are very high. The profit also is high. Profit is 35, 37. This year profit has last. Okay, this is March 2025. Bro, there is no update in data. What is this? You only have March 25. There is 2026. Mm, Bro, the price is at correctly at the support area. This is the support area. This is the support area. It will reject from here for sure. For sure, bro. For sure, it will reject. And I have to check the current watch. Not yet. Coal India passes on quality, but context could not establish. So this stays to watch. Context means the news. I did not add the news API right now because there are no free news APIs out there. I need to actually find from where I can get it. P ratio is 8. Okay. PB is 2. Okay. Price to book is 2. Okay. Uh, 10 is good. 10 is good. ROE is good. ROC is good. 4% is also good. So this is actually it's in a good spot actually. But based on the government initiatives and all, government is pushing other things like renewable sources of energy. So that's why I think okay, this year it has touched rooftop because of the war, I guess. Because of the war, it has touched the rooftop. It's slightly coming down. But based on the earnings and all, I have to say, and technical analysis as well, I have to say Coal India is worth looking once. India. Coal India, Coal India, Coal India, Coal India. Let me actually check our calculations are correct or not. 8.19, 8.27. Those are close. Those are close. Those are close. Close, close, close. Sales are increasing. Last this year is 168, 400. 96, 126. Expenses are very high this year. Expenses are very high this year. But last year also expenses are high, right? In our financials, it showed last year only 1.6. Okay, current assets, total assets, not on these. See, total revenue is this much and total expenses are this much last year, but it screener shows differently. Operating profit is 47%. What is the profit after tax? Net profit is 35,000. Ours after, bro, this is correct, but this is correct. This is correct. Okay, it has. I think it has not included the interest and depreciation as well. So that's why it is 196. If it if all are added, I think it would be the same. Okay. In March 31,000, the profit has dropped. The profit has dropped. Sorry. The profit has dropped. Did the revenue grow? Yes, revenue grow. But why the expenses have increased? Material cost is 4%. Okay, material cost is what material is one of the metrics that made the cost expenses go high. Manufacturing cost is zero, but it is zero. 27% employee cost. Other cost is 42%. What are other costs? So what are other costs? Okay. From March it is falling or what? Stock. From March or what? From March? March it has gone little up. Okay. I think this is the level from this level it might go up. That's what I feel. Let's see. Mm, Coal India is in a good spot. Okay, all good. Go back to companies. I wanna see more. Large cap. Coal India is on first. Power. What is this? Power Finance Corporation. How much is the market cap? 1 lakh 83 crores. 420 is the price. PE is very low. EPS is good. Profit after tax 30,000. Revenue. Okay. Financials. Total revenue is 1 lakh 7. Expenses are 68. Profit before tax 38. After tax is 30. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see this. Overview is good. It is not currently at a good place. It will come down even more. From the technical analysis, I feel like it will come down. Scored 2 out of 14, 7 judge metrics, 86% at 60% threshold. Close for 2.5% above support. Tested 2 times. Resistance sits at 429. Price is moving without getting anywhere. Efficiency 0.5 below 0.15 despite direction index of 25%, 25.1. Okay. Mm, tested two times. Where it has tested two times. It is. No, I did not test two times. It might go up, bro. It might go up. I need to see breaking this trend line. There's a trend line going here. I think it has broken the trend line, I guess. I guess it has broken the trend line. Analysis. Quality is good. Okay. Trend, ADX, ATR, efficient. Supported 409. Supported 409. Okay. This is also good. This is also good. That stock is also good. Why it is coming back to all every time? I only want to see the large caps. Uh, what are the other companies my dad is invested in? Midwest, Lenscart. Yeah, my dad also invested in Lenscart, mid cap, small cap, all. The spelling is wrong, I guess. Yeah, Lenscart. Market cap 97,000, mid cap 195. Okay, the PE is high for the newest brands. Is the PE is high? Okay. Quality is worth owning. Scored 2 out of 16 across 8 judge metrics. Bro, it is very poor. But still, it is moving ahead. See. 1 month earnings plus 5%, 3 months 12%, 27%. Revenue growth is 32%. That's a good sign. Where are the financials? Revenue, right? 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000. Revenue is growing. Other incomes, okay. Revenue, okay. Total expenses are, no, okay. 688. Revenue has grown, bro. Revenue has grown significantly. Tax is 179, 501 after tax, 501 crores. That's a good sign, buddy. Cash flow from investing minus 2,000. Cash flow has decreased. Are they showing cash flow in profits? Revenue? No, right? 430. They sold. They sold something, bro. Or they bought something. Change in assets. Bro, this is why the profit has increased. Oh my god. Bro, from 620 to 47 came from this. Oh my god. This is the thing. When did Lenskart go public? I think in, yeah, this year 25th. So bro, they sold their assets to show profit. That's why profit has increased. Current assets, net current assets. What is this then? Cash flow. That is cash in bank, right? Bro, I'm confused. I'm confused right now. These are the assets. This is the cash flow in bank. What are cash flow from Instacart figures in crores? Okay. Here the assets have increased. I think we have to check this as well. The assets and liabilities and all to score the company. 2 out of 16 as a share. Let's see this. PE ratio is 176. 14 is the 14 is the sector speed. And start. RSA is very low. 214. What is the sector? I don't want to sign in. 214 is the sector. 176 here. Price to book is high. 9 times. ROC is 7, very low. ROE is very low. EBITDA is very, very high. The stock might fall anytime soon, bro. I feel it. This can fall anytime soon, but I might be wrong. No one knows. I feel from inside, bro, this stock might fall, but who knows? Good profit growth. That's this is in consumer sectors, consumer services. But it's not correct to keep lens cut in consumers. It is consumer service, but those are very different companies. Bro, Screener also added AI here. Wow. Hmm. We need to sell lens card, bro. For sure, we need to sell lens card. It is in a good profit right now, but I need to sell it. Mm. LIC, 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 bro, LIC, bro, LIC. What happened to it? And why is it showing here? Where is LIC? Large cap. LIC 17, 11 by 16. P ratio is 576. Bro, there is no data available. Profit before tax, profit after tax. What is this? The data is not clear at all. What just happened today? Why did LIC fall this much down? Oh my god. What happened to LIC? What happened today, bro? Insights beta. Market share by premium. With reference of earlier announcement dated August 4 regarding oversubscription notice, the President of India acting through Department of Finance. What happened to? Is it a government thing? Uh, Offer for sale of equity shares of face value 10 for life insurance company by its promoter. Okay, President of India acting through department. Okay, the promoter is selling this. LIC is announced to lowest in 4 months on discounted stake sale. Okay. On Monday, it would sell 2% stake with an option to divest an additional 4.5% at 382 rupees. In its first sale of stake, the insurer LIC listed in 2022, the stock closed at 428. Okay, it is selling 382 rupees. Okay, that's why it has fallen. Mm-hmm. It's not a good time to invest. For a few days, we have to see what will happen. Then we can actually. This is a good thing. It has shown correctly. It is at support. We can invest, but based on aggressive selling, the news and all, we should avoid investing in this. The metrics are good, I guess. Profit growth 127%, 127%. Uh, mhm. 442 and now it's 393. Oh. Bro, I think we need to add more things to it, more analysis, uh, more hardest tools, so that it can show us the companies that which are really at the correct place and correct time to invest. Mm. In all rankings, the small companies will pop up because there is no data. RM technology is limited. It's in top and it is showing me on the screen. Why? But why? Markup P ratio. Okay, it has started 70, 119 crores profit, 16 crores, 12 crores of profit. It is a top, bro. It is a top. Why would I invest here? I will not, definitely. Quality, timing, yeah. Timing is now reasonable. Is now reasonable. Why it says this and puts fail? Uh, yeah, it's not a good thing to invest right now. P ratio is okay. P ratio is still okay. The price is so high. P is still okay. Okay. PB is 2, 9.18, 19. That's good. 15. That's good. Bro, the price is high and it's still showing to invest. I want it to come down, bro. It is not a good sign to invest right there. I have to see 177. ARM Technologies, incorporated in 2019. ARM Technology Limited imports, exports, trades, manufacturing. Okay. Because of the tariffs, I don't know. Because of the imports also, they might gain. Because of imports for other countries in India has gone up last year. Okay. Though the company is repeated, it's not paying out dividend. Bro, who wants dividend? Company has high debtors of 177 days. Okay, 177 days. Debtor days. Oh my God. Uh, Promoter holdings had decreased over last 3 years. Bro, they have to raise capital, no? Or they selling. It's SME. We can't invest in SME. If we want to, we have to invest like bulk. Mm. Arham Technologies, Anant Raj Limited, Automobile Corporation of Goa, Fund Control Limited, Control Print Limited, Breweries, GM Breweries, 900, 2013, 85, 748, 573, 205. What? What, bro? What? Net gross increased. Okay, total expenses of 5,000. Why did expenses go low? But the revenue grew. That's a good thing. Okay. EPS is 68. EPS has increased. It is at oh my god, there are no one trading this stock. Hmm. Is this SME? No, it's not SME. We can invest in this. GM Breweries Limited. Brewery, Brewery. What's that, bro? I forgot. What's that? What's that? Screener, right? Bro, I don't want to log in, bro. I don't want to log in. Please. I have to add like a star mark or something so that we can know which stocks to invest and watch list like kind of thing. Let's see, did it complete all the things? I was very involved in researching the stocks. I forgot about this. Sector comes from Upstock license, and I went to Yahoo unnecessarily. Stock license, I went to Yahoo unnecessarily. Glance reference that answers your questions exactly. It's my error, not Upstock blocking anything. I tested company profile and got 404. Concluded the endpoint did not exist. I never checked the docs index. The real path is SaaS profile saying the sharing holding where give promoters FII, DI output told you was unavailable. The return for needs parameters. Okay, what this change sector is license finance for Tata Cab reference Upstock's own taxonomy. That means the metrics accept applicability work you prompted can run license data, and the Yahoo dependency tends to analyze targets only. Shareholding is available, promoter FI, okay. The management ownership blends, okay. Corporate action, dividends, place bonuses, adjusted price series needed on your debt point from the lender. You are right. And I want to state it precisely. For a bank or NBFC, borrowings are the raw material. They take deposits or borrow. Okay, that's good. Module already marks debt is meaningful for financials. Um, Honest note, I should have read the endpoint index before concluding data was unavailable. I told you sector name, shareholding. Okay, I guess the URL instead of checking Yahoo integration with unlicensed status. Next, which sector to upstocks where applicability. Yeah, that's good. And upstocks has everything we want, I guess. For some companies, it don't have the balance sheets and all. And in our screener, some of companies don't have revenue and they have total revenue. So add total revenue, right? They are saying we have to add total only, I guess. And add like watch list kind of thing. So if a stock is good, they can add it to watch list. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? And we also need to be smart, like have to check liabilities, like some companies sell their liabilities and show it as a profit. So that's a profit increased, right? I saw in Lens card the cash flow is decreased and profit increased. I'm not sure about cash flow is my thinking correct or not. I'm not sure. So please do analysis and correct me. Oh, uh, I will work on this project later. La 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 la. Oh, oh. I wanna see this animation is good. Let's search something else. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Any good company? Any good company? Any good company? Let's see Pine Labs. Pine Labs Limited. Bro, what is this? All-time low or what? Profit is in minus. Analysis insufficient. Only 5 metrics could be judged below 6. There are 6 required to compare the companies with others. Uh, uh, One 37% PE ratio, 2%, 0.91118. Yeah, slowly coming to the profitability stage, I would say, but, but. Sales others. Bro, they became profitable. But why is my stock spinner still saying it has no 2026 data yet? 2025 2026 data. So that's why it's actually it has made profit. Other income. What are other income? 133 crores. That's why they became profitable. Wow. Other income nominal 137. They have to show it, bro. What are other incomes? These companies put it in direct other incomes. What is other? That's why there is no actually movement. It has become profitable, but how? When it has came down. Okay, 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 okay. Analysis. Wait, did it? Okay, it has given something. Your Lenskart instinct is right, and it's now a working check. Why it works? Profit is an option, cash is a fact. Selling an asset book again, recognizing revenue early inflates receivables. Capitalizing a cost moves it off the income statement. None bring in cash. The gap between profit and operating cash flow is where that shows up. Uh, 1x good. Nothing. Non-core field of profit. Reliance 1.9x good. 16, 20, 22, 30 acceptable. Tata Capital minus 8, 1% good. Rents is the interesting one. Cash backing is strong, but other incomes has climbed from 16 to 30% of profit over 4 years. Its core business is less of profit than the headline suggests. Precisely the thing you are describing, and it caught the same sector as the reform. Tata Capital minus 8.82% was flagged weak, which is wrong. For a lender, correcting you one thing. You suggested using total revenue only. That would work against you. Revenue, core operation, other incomes, total revenue to common. Total revenue includes non-core income you are trying to detect. So core revenue stays the trend metrics with total revenue only as fallback for lenders that don't report a revenue line, which is what's already implemented. What is public was not done yet. What is you asked for it and I haven't built it. It needs a decision. Browser local storage works immediately with no auth but won't sync across devices. The database would sync but needs the superbase sign in. Which do you want? The database would sync but won't sync across devices. Christ will go. Will go. Sunrise. Will go. Number. Bro. I battle through sunrise and on will go. 304 against the sector of 38. Market is wrong or market knows something. Usually the latter. Earnings at a cyclic peak about to fall. A business is declining or the governance the market has discounted. Cheap on last year's earning tells you nothing of next year's. No. Fix is refuse a cheap verdict unless the fundamentals support it. How to cheaper a discounter is never scored good on its own. It's scored against what the business is doing. Cheap plus revenue and profit growing possible bargain. Cheap plus revenue or profit falling value trappers. Cheap plus profit. Cheap plus profit not backed by cash. Not backed by cash. Earning quality risk. Cheap plus trend unclear. Not called a bargain. Expensive plus growing consistently supported premium. Expensive plus not growing unsupported premium. P25 against the sector 66 a 62% discount. Now reach cheap, but the business is growing the wrong way. Even the bargain case is careful. It says that does not make it mispriced. Only unusual reason for different absent here. Only that is usual reason for discount is absent here. A low multiple with a good fundamental still isn't proof that market is wrong. What you are missing since you asked things professional investors check that we know how data per but haven't built. Promoter holdings and its direction. Promoter selling into strength is a signal. No ratio factors. The shareholding sentiment gives promoters a right available and unused. Delusion. Delusion. Share count rising means your size shrinks when your profit grows. The deliverables from EPS versus profit across years. Working capital trend. Receivables and inventory growing faster than revenue is how revenue gets recognized before it's collected. The mechanism behind your lens cut intuition. Receivables plus inventory growing faster than revenue is how revenue gets recognized before it's okay. Things we genuinely can't check management quality, competitive mode, capital allocation related party transaction, uh, com, com, capital allocation history, auditor change. Those need filings and eligible, not ratios, but knowing the tool as a symbol. Okay, you are doing some. And also, recent later, but plans and for the watches I start browsing study. Maybe, okay. I will suggest why everything computer only. And I just start the watch list, then camera holding. Why I think computer want to understand the purchase the promoter holdings engine has to run ahead of the interface. Uh, a lot of this analysis exists but isn't visible yet. As if you are new, please do subscribe my channel. Oh, why is it dragging up there every time? Uh, 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 uh. Hmm. I think within 2 hours, 25 minutes. Okay, I think I'll take a leave now. I will work little bit more on this and I will go to sleep. Right? Uh, bro, why is it actually done? The ceiling is now recorded in both living documents, and three of the things have said were out of reach, turning out to be reachable. summary blueprint covering with the tool cannot be judged. Management quality, competitive mode, capital allocation, history. Each with why it's out of reach and source would be needed. Two properties started plainly. The source carries no view on any of those, and the company can pass every gate. Still be a poor investment for a reason in the table. Three more of the list. Writing endpoint properly rather than guessing made is available. Uh, Instagram and share count change. And I caught myself asserting something I couldn't know. My digestion check flagged even set share count as weak. That's a 1:1 bonus. Every holder gets proportionally more shares, so nobody is diluted. Calling it dilution was wrong. I tried to fix it by checking corporate actions, but the endpoint only returns recent events, so bonus from isn't available. A bonus and share sale produce an identical signal from these figures. So rather than guess, it now reports the change and says uh, less satisfying than a verdict, but it's what the data supports. Next, the analysis tab is now well behind the engine. Ownership, earnings, quality, valuation, context, and trends are all computed but invisible. That plus the watch bit is what I would do next. Bro, I think I'm ending the stream now. Well, we'll be streaming tomorrow. I guess. I hope we'll be streaming tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Sweet dreams.